Hello, YouTube family, and welcome to the first episode of this year. The year is 2022. I don't like using the dates in my videos because I want these videos to be relevant years to come. But in this particular instance, what we've been through in 2019, 2020, 2021, we're in 2022. And hopefully it's a better year. All right, family. We've got several things to talk about today. We have this gentleman sitting here in my background to talk about a few changes that we're going to make to the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, family, we're going to save the best for last while we've got the Big Easy all torn apart here in my background. First of all, and this is exciting news. I really wanted to have Lady Red with me, but she's sleeping. She's got to go to work tonight, and I want to go ahead and get this video done. But the first bit of exciting news, at least for us, is that we're going to start a new channel. And I know I threatened a while back to start a new channel involving the Jeep, but since we bought the RV, the Transcend, the Jeep is kind of taking a background. As far as videoing goes, I still my daily driver, still my baby. I still love it. I still cook out of it every morning. But we have started a second channel, and we're calling it RV Adventures with Rosie and Red. Red being my wife. All right, family. So we're really excited about that because we have tons of footage from our camping adventures that we don't really get to post because we didn't think it really fit on the This and That channel. And for those of y'all who are new to the channel, and even for some of you old timers, I really haven't explained why we named it that. And the reason is we do a little bit of this and a little bit of that. And at the time when we first started the channel, I was trying to find my niche, or my niche as they say. And I did reviews on all type of things. And then it kind of evolved into more of cooking and cooking utensils, because that's what I'm good at. That's what I enjoy doing. I enjoy tech, and I enjoy finding new things concerning the cooking world, the cooking realm. So, and the DAT is common here to Louisiana. Everybody who dat. And so we decided to name it because a lot of my cooking at first was going to be about Cajun cooking, Cajun lifestyle. But me not being a Cajun, I kind of veered away from that, and I just go ahead and we cover everything. All right, next. I think we looked at some YouTube analytics, and it appears that Thursday would be a good day to drop video. So we're going to continue to drop a video on Monday because the analytics also show the people who do subscribe and that watch the channel, they're used to me dropping videos on Monday. And for me making that change might disrupt the flow. So we're going to continue to drop videos on Mondays. But it also suggests that I drop a second video on Thursdays. And they didn't give a reason why. But as soon as I said that, my beautiful wife Red suggested that people are looking for recipes and utensils on Thursday to prepare for a Friday and Saturday meal, or for a Saturday event, or for a Saturday gathering. So Thursday, she feels, is a good time for people to start looking for the weekend activity, or the catalyst. So we're going to start dropping a video on Monday. And when we do drop a second video is not always promised, but when we do drop a second video, it will be on Thursdays and not Wednesdays. And since now that we have the second channel that we're going to crank up, we're going to be, we won't be dropping any footage or any videos concerning our camping on this channel, on the This and That channel. So Thursday will be cooking as well, or a review of a cooking utensil, or something cooking related, or camp stove related, something of that nature. Now, that's another question that we have to answer. Will we continue to drop cooking stoves or cooking utensils that involve camping on this channel? The answer is yes. We may drop them on both channels, but if I have a cooking stove that can be used while camping or can be used in the backyard while cooking or keeping a gravy warm while you barbecue, then of course we're going to continue to drop those videos on this platform. All right, now for the elephant in the room. I think I covered everything that we had coming for this year. Other than thank y'all. We had a great year last year. We didn't do any astronomical numbers. You know, we didn't reach 10,000 subscribers and get a plaque or anything of that nature. But we did. We had a lot of growth. We had a lot of engagement in the comment sections. And we made a lot of new friends. Not personally, but we have people who repeatedly comment in the comment sections, repeatedly come back to watch our videos, and for that I want to say thank y'all. Had a great year, and I believe we're going to have a better year this year. I actually believe that we will. We're at like 4,000 something subscribers right now. I believe we'll reach the 10,000 subscriber threshold. Subscribers, they're important to me, but they're not important to the YouTube analytics or anything. It's basically how many people watch your videos. They might not want to subscribe. Some people just don't like hitting the subscribe button. I get that. All right, now for the elephant in the room. Why do I have my Big Easy torn apart behind me here? All right, sometime last year, and y'all probably don't remember this. Let me swap y'all around. All right, sometime last year I promised y'all that I was going to do something that would allow me to have my Big Easy sitting, say, right here, and I can be over here with my gas tank or over there with my gas tank. So I stepped it off, and from this spot to that spot, say, is about 12 feet. So we're going to do something, and I'm not going to tell y'all what it is in this video. You're going to have to come back and tune in for the next video. If it's possible, and I think it is, we're going to do something that is going to allow us to put the Big Easy wherever we want in the yard. We can put it on the back porch. We can put it on over here, 15, maybe even 20 feet, and not have to move our propane tank. Because for me, I got a bad back now. And for me, moving that propane tank around, having it so close to the Big Easy, it's going to eliminate all that if this works. Now, I'm going to drop some footage in for y'all. This is also going to be a slightly educational video. Y'all can see right here where I have this all taken apart. I have the electrical wire taken apart for the igniter. We pulled the bolts out, and we just took this housing off. Very simple to do. I'll drop the footage in right here, right now, of me doing that. Now, this is going to involve me taking this part with me when I go over to town in Lake Charles and doing the thing that I need to do to get that, make it 20 feet or so accessible. Like I said, y'all tune in next week. If this works, you'll see what I did to make this where this is no longer has to be moved, and we can do what we have to do, leave my tank stationary, and we can move the Big Easy all around the yard. Next, the week after that, what I think I'm going to do is we're going to see, can we knock some of this old paint down, sand this thing up a little bit, see can we find some high temp black paint and kind of touch this thing up a little bit. Next, after that, or maybe before that, I'm not sure what sequence we're going to do it in, we had a couple of subscribers, a couple of viewers who said, especially on the smoker, they would like for these legs to be longer. I actually work in the aviation industry. There's a lot of people in my industry that knows all about sheet metal and metals. We're going to see can we get somebody to make us some legs that are a little bit longer to get that thing a little bit further off the ground, to get it up to maybe waist level. I think that would be interesting if we can get it done. Just something fun to do, not a necessity. We could sit it on bricks. We could put 2x4s underneath it if we wanted to. But if we wanted to make it look professional, keep the channel professional, keep the Big Easy looking professional, then we're gonna see can we get a fabricator, a metal fabricator, to make us some longer legs for this one, for the normal, regular Big Easy, And we're gonna see, can we get someone to make some longer legs for the Big Easy smoker. Now that one's gonna be a little more difficult, so what we may have to do is get someone to fabricate an extension for these legs, just to make them say 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches longer. But that's all in the upcoming near future. We're just gonna see if we can do that, have some fun with this thing while it's cold here in Louisiana, and probably where you are as well, and just have some fun with this thing while we wait for the season to crank back up. I usually kick this thing back into gear around my birthday, around April, and I cook with it through the rest of the year until after Thanksgiving. Then we shut it down, we put it away. This year we're not doing that. All right, family. This has been a real quick down and dirty video. I just wanted to give y'all an update on where the channel is. Tell y'all thank you for such a great year last year. Hopefully we have a better year this upcoming year. I wanted to make y'all aware of the new channel, and I put a link to it. And some of y'all already signed up. It's the old channel that I had the Jeep Wrangler on, and I simply changed the title, changed the description, and now it's going to be RVing or the Adventures, RV Adventures with Rosie and Red. We like that title. Yes, we do. All right, family. If y'all enjoyed this video, as usual, give her a thumbs up. If not, give her a thumb down, and a brief reason why in the comment section. And if you love what we're doing here, this and that, y'all consider becoming a subscriber. And if you do subscribe, hit the old notification bell so you're notified every time we drop one of these awesome videos. It's your boy Rosie. Y'all take care. Have a great day, a great week, and a great 2022. That's right. It's 2022, y'all. Woo! Peace out.